With sophisticated cyber attacks and complex threat landscapes, the ability to gather and analyze threat intelligence has become increasingly essential. Before threats become full-blown security incidents, threat intelligence experts help organizations identify, assess, and mitigate risks. Want to break into threat intelligence or the realm of cybersecurity? eCourseware, world's leading cybersecurity training provider for 20+ years and the inventor of the world's #1 ethical hacking certification, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, brings you the Threat Intelligence Essentials, TIE. Threat Intelligence Essentials course, designed to develop strong technical foundational skills, is your gateway to getting started in threat intelligence with no prior IT or cybersecurity experience. Learn these critical threat intelligence essentials skills. Threat intelligence concepts, types, and future trends. Understanding the cyber threat landscape. Data collection for threat intelligence. Exploring threat intelligence platforms, TIPS. Analyzing threat intelligence data. Mastering threat hunting and detection techniques. Collaborating in threat intelligence. Applying threat intelligence in incident response. With Threat Intelligence Essentials, you'll gain the critical skills to start your journey in cybersecurity, positioning yourself for success in a fast-growing field. With this course you get 1-year access to eCourseware and self-paced video lessons from industry experts, 6-month access to immersive hands-on labs, Proctored exams, Capstone projects with real-world CTF challenges, eCoursew's globally recognized certification upon completion. Don't miss this opportunity. Start your journey in threat intelligence with eCourseware today. Whether you're an individual pursuing a career in cybersecurity or an educator preparing students for one, eCourseware Essential Series is the program that you need. Enroll now. Visit eCourseware.org/essentials.